This is very, very exciting to be here amongst family, amongst friends, to be installed as the National Association of Real Estate Brokers, 28th president. Good to be here. Good to be here.
By virtue of the authority conferred upon me as your installing officer, I do hereby proclaim you to be installed into the office of President of the National Association of Real Estate Brokers, Incorporated. Would you please stand on your feet and join with me in congratulating Donnell Spivey.
This was an awesome event. It was a transition in leadership, a natural progression in NAREB. And I think one of the unique pieces about this is that President Spivey and I had a good relationship. We kind of worked very close together over the last 7 years, and he stayed committed and focused on all of my ideas and energy, and I'm going to continue to support him as a past president on his endeavors. So we're looking forward to a great administration, outstanding, and do a great job, Spivey. Thank you.
It's been a long haul to get to this point, and I ask you to join with me for the next 2 years to help take NAREB to higher heights and be a part of change